So, because the weather has been terrible lately, I've decided to take you down to the center of Sofia and show some local graffiti and street art, which is more than plenty here, and it's actually amazing.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
So most of the graffiti you just saw is basically just around the city center, but you can literally go anywhere and you will find tons of them. Obviously not on some national monuments like this, but it's awesome. You can find some nice piece of art on every street, almost on every wall. Of course, some of it is just pure vandalism, but a lot of them are also, let's say, politically motivated, because there are a lot of protests here in Bulgaria. But on that note, maybe next time.
It sound right, boys.
Alright, that's it for today's video, and if you watch till here, consider subscribing or liking this video, because there will be more coming your way. See you later.